as fuck in this motherfucker, ain't it? Can't be in this motherfucker working nights. Don't be in this bitch with the janitor. That nigga already on the side of the building. Can't wait till Jim come back. I gotta tell him what happened between the baby daddy and the sad nigga. Who? That's who. Let me get in. I thought I heard some shit. Let me get in. 911, how may I help you? Your son is stuck. No, your son's locked himself in a room with a rifle. Rifle? Okay. What's the address? 21st and Hamlin. 21st and Hamlin Street. I'm sending a car your way. By any means, stay away from the door. I'm pretty sure this is a white family. 911, how may I help you? This is a noise complaint. What is your name, sir? Dragon, I'm from Russia. Why are you talking like that? I'm from Russia. Oh, okay. I speak a little Russian myself. Do you hear me? Yes. How may I help you? It is a noise complaint upstairs. All right. Okay. I'm sending a car over, man. They'll be there within 10 minutes. 911, how may I help you? I was shot. You all right? You in the shootout, 9th and Jerry behind West Side. You by yourself? You by yourself and it's like 12 people shooting at you. You got 2 bullets left. Man, I'm sending a car to you. You black? Oh, no, you mixed? L1, R1. Left down, right up. What you mean, what is that? That's unlimited ammo. You said you was short on ammo. Police on the way. 911, how may I help you? You caught your baby daddy on your Ring camera, and you're calling to inform us that your neighbor is selling food stamps because you seen your baby daddy go in her house 3 times and then come back to hours later, and you thought y'all was cool. This is not Jerry Springer, man. I'm gonna send a car over though. I'm working nights, so I ain't got time for this all night. Whew. Let me come out of there for a second. What the fuck is that? Yep, see, I can't do nights. I ain't gonna be able to do nights. Fuck nights. Only one of them motherfucking here.